wanting to register for JAMB were disappointed when they tried registering in January and it wasn't going through. So in this video, let us look at the new dates that JAMB itself has brought out, right? There is a new date that they have brought out that I want us to quickly look at, as it will guide you in preparing for your JAMB, right? At the end of this video also, I'm going to give you free past questions. If you have not gotten free past questions from me on your 4 JAMB subject, if I have not sent you free syllabus, I'm going to do that for you free of charge. I'm going to do that for you free. The reason I'm giving you people all this support is that last year many people failed JAMB. Thousands of the 1 point something million that wrote the JAMB failed. And I am working towards ensuring that you and everybody connected to this YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials, that every one of you scores at least 300 in your JAMB, 300 plus. I don't know the grade you are looking at, but I don't want you to target below 300. Which grade are you even looking at? Which score? Comment under this video and tell me the score you are looking for and claim it. Say, I claim it, and you comment the score you are targeting. Let it be above 300, right? The registration for the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination, UTME, will now begin on Monday. Monday what? Monday, February 3rd. I don't know the particular day you are watching this video, but on the February 3rd of 2025, the exam will start. Remember, last year, 2024, JAMB had announced that the registration will commence on 15th of January. I was preparing you people, dropping videos, giving you updates. When it came to 15th of January 2025, they now shifted it again. I think I was among the first channels to announce that. I was preparing my people, both those in the WhatsApp group, both those subscribing, those watching the videos. And on the we were now waiting for 31st. 31st again, JAMB now said no, you cannot start buying your EP. No, you cannot start registering until February 3rd. This is the second postponement. This is the second shifting they are doing for the JAMB exam. Remember to watch this video too to the end, because I will give you free past questions and materials. I've also giving you free audio recording. If you want me to give you free audio recording of all the reviews we have done for the JAMB novel, Lucky Headmaster, we have reviewed the JAMB novel and I want you to get it. It's free. It's free on our channel. Fabian Benjamin, the Public Communications Advisor of the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board, JAMB, made this announcement in a statement released on Friday. Benjamin explained that the scheduling was necessary to allow the board to implement crucial adjustments to its registration system. I hope you are following. So JAMB is saying that they shifted the date for resumption of the registration to allow the board to implement crucial adjustment to its registration system. By the way, I hope you know how to fill your JAMB form. I hope you know how to fill your JAMB. If you don't know, let me know. I've done a video on that in this channel and I will give it to you if you request for it. How to properly fill your JAMB form without any mistake. Okay? These changes stem from the recent suspension of certain law programs at select universities. This is important if you want to study law, as communicated to JAMB by the Council for Legal Education. So the Council for Legal Education told JAMB that they have suspended certain universities, certain law programs in certain universities. So JAMB is halting or suspending registration until that is rectified. I hope you know how to combine your JAMB subjects. Some of you don't know that. If you are doing medicine, there is a difference between the course in which the 4 subjects will write from a person who will be doing engineering. Me, I did computer engineering while I was in school. So if you don't know the proper subject combination for the course you want to study, also let me know. Begin now to ask your questions so that you don't make certain avoidable mistakes. Let's move on. The board also identified discrepancies involving some computer-based tests, CBT centers. You know that JAMB is not written with pencil and paper. It's written with computers, and the computer is not like you can stay in your house and write. You have to go to CBT center, the computer-based test center, where they accredited those people. You can go there and write. So JAMB is saying that they noticed some mistakes in those centers that they are accredited, and they are going there to maybe reaccredit them, remove those that entered the wrong way, and put in the better people that can do the job. I have told you that at the end of this video, you will qualify. If you watch till the end, you will qualify to receive free JAMB past questions from me. I'll give it to you free. You will also qualify to receive free JAMB syllables. I'll give it to you free. If you also need the videos we did, the audio reading, maybe you don't have time to read all this JAMB novel, Lucky Headmaster. I've read it chapter by chapter by chapter for you. I've also given you expo questions. I've leaked the questions that JAMB will set from that very book. Of course, you know that the book is compulsory. This adjustment, that is the adjustment in the date, came in light of the recent suspension of law programs at select universities as submitted by the board. Okay, that's what JAMB is saying. Now, additionally, the board discovered that some computer-based tests, CBT centers, had used deceptive facilities to be approved, prompting the need for further scrutiny and correction by disapproving such centers. So certain JAMB centers, CBT centers, were disapproved. So JAMB is taking its time to set everything ready, get everything ready before allowing you to start registering. And remember, even before then, you can start generating your JAMB profile code. Have you generated your JAMB profile code, or you don't know how to do that? I will also give you a video. I will guide you on that. If you don't know, or you're having issues with generating the profile code, please let me know. The board acknowledges the disruption this may cause to candidates and other stakeholders, and sincerely apologize for any inconvenience. That is the statement of JAMB reads. The extra time Benjamin, that is the Public Communications Officer of JAMB, will allow for the completion of all necessary modifications to ensure a seamless registration process. So JAMB is saying that they are working tirelessly to ensure that the exam starts February 3rd. Monday, February 3rd. So keep yourself ready, keep yourself busy, keep reading. In our YouTube channel, we have done a lot for you. So go ahead and access all the videos we have done free for you. Also, right now, you have qualified to get free JAMB past question and free JAMB syllables. If you need to do that, number one, join our YouTube channel. You will see the option to join. Number two, simply like this video, share this video, then most importantly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Click on subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Then come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Come under this video and type I have subscribed. Remember to also tell me the grade, the score you are targeting, and claim it. Say I claim this score. You now indicate the score. The score should be at least 300 and above. There is a video I am leaving for you on the screen. Click on it and watch now. Click on it immediately.